The 6th of March, Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura, Purim.
Okay, so right. So again, we're in learning Hilchos Purim, Siman Tov Reish Pei Ches Sif Aleph. Let's see, we're in the middle of the Mishnah Brewers here, right? Well,
Um, I'm not okay. Hold on.
Cutting base. Yeah, yeah. Sif cutting base. The let's read the Mechaber. Let's look at the Mechaber again, then we'll go into the Mishnah Brewers.
Okay, so this is bet. It says v'chein kfarim hanirim imahem afilu einam smuchim kigon shehem bahar o smuchim lahem afilu einam nirim imahem kigon shehem be'emek. Oh, by a valley. Okay. Uvilvad shelo yihiyu rechokim yoter mimil uvishushan af al pi she'ena mukefet choma miyamot Yehoshua korin b'tetvav ho'il v'naaseh bo hanes. Oh yeah, I think we did do this, didn't we? Okay, so let's see the villages that were seen with them. I guess maybe with the cities. I don't know. Filu einam. Okay, even those that are not close. For example, they are by a mountain. Oh, let's see, shesmuchim, or they're I guess near to them, even
Right,
if
that's good.
there's not, it doesn't seem with them. For example, in a valley. Okay, so let's see. Vilvad, and only that they were not far, or yoter, more than far, more than a meal. Oh, a meal, that's a measurement.
Right.
Shushan, and in Shushan, nevertheless, uh, Sheina, uh, that was, I guess, surrounded by a wall in the days of, oh, that wasn't surrounded by the wall in the days of Shushan. It's still read on the 15th, since that's where I guess the miracle happened.
That's right.
Oh, okay. Very good. Okay, so let's see. I guess we're in Hay then, Hakfarim.
Very good. Go ahead.
Okay, so Hay was the villages, I think. Okay, so it says Vehu Hadin Ayarot, and that's in the Tiv Chaim, and not sure Vechen Katuv Meiri. Okay, so the law is treated for the villages, the law is treated like the cities.
Right.
Okay, very good.
Oh, it shouldn't be too far away, right? That's what the Mechaber said. Shouldn't be too
Hmm.
far away.
Right. Okay, so Vav is Vilvad Shelo Yiyu. That they wouldn't be hold it, that there would only be, no, that there would only, that there wouldn't be, okay. I guess concerning the villages. Okay, so that is Uvilvad. Let me continue. Okay, so it says Vizeh ka'e adismich lay dehainu shehaya samuk. Okay, so this is where the villages are close to a walled city. Aval nireh, but it appears to me, or no, aval nireh, but it is seen, afilu rachok yoter mimil, even if it, I guess even if it's seen further than a meal away, have kachrech. That it appears, I guess, it to be walled, kachrech. V'yeshomrim, and some say devinir gam kain eno nechshav likrech, and some say that when it appears also. No, therefore it isn't thought of as a village.
That's right. Because
Okay.
it's not in sight. It's not in sight. It's not considered.
Oh, Ella. Okay, im came, but therefore she'eino rachok yoter, even if it's not further than a meal. Okay. And Zion is Ho'il na'aseh vo'nes, that even the miracle was performed there.
It's talking about Shushan.
Right. Oh, since, not because. I'm sorry. Yeah, since the grammar is a little confusing to me here.
What?
Well, it says Ho'il the na'aseh. I thought Ho'il meant since. And Vinasa, why we would just say, and since the miracle was performed there or in it.
Right, and since, and that the miracle was performed there.
Okay. So it says, let's see, Shehenachu betet vav kediktiv b'kareh. Oh, okay. So let's see. That it was Nachu is they literally rested on Tubav, as it is written in the verses. Okay, very good.
Right.
So they rested on
That's when the war ended.
right. Yeah, it's someplace in the Megillah. I know that. Okay, very, very nice. So we should go on to Gimel now.
No, I think we're gonna go to now. Let's skip a bit. Let's turn the page, and we'll go to Vav. This is
Oh, wow.
relevant to us this year, Vav.
Okay, 1 second. Oh,
What,
I see.
what
Okay.
summon are we in?
Tov Reish Peches.
Top Rach, Pay, Chet, Vav.
Right.
Vav, that's 6.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so it says um, Yom Tetvav Shechal Lihiop Shabbat. Oh, so when Tetvav begins on falls on Shabbat, I guess. Okay, falls on Shabbat. Okay. Ein Korin HaMegillah b'Shabbat. So the Megillah is not read on Shabbat. Ella Makdimim Likrota be'erev Shabbat. But we what's a Makdi precedes, but uh okay, so we but it's reading is before on erev Shabbat. Okay. Because you have to find out what erev Shabbat is.
What do you mean?
Well, usually when we say erev Shabbat, we mean Friday afternoon, but we don't read it on Friday afternoon, do we? I thought we read
Well,
it on Thursday.
no. Again, the Mechaber says, Yom Tes Vav Shechal Yos B'Shabbos. If Tes Vav falls out on Shabbos, like it's going to fall out this year, Ein
Right.
Koren Megillah B'Shabbos, and you do not read the Megillah on Shabbos, Elo Makdimin the Krosom Be'erev Shabbos. Rather, you make it earlier and read on Erev Shabbos, on Yom Shishi.
Oh, so but since you read the Megillah both at night and day, oh, I see. So we're going to read. Oh, I see what's happening. So we read it Thursday night, and then on Friday morning, Yom Shishi, we read it again.
Right.
Okay. Okay. I wasn't 100. I guess I wasn't 100% clear on that. Okay. Okay. Then it says the Govim me'ot matanot aniyim. And I guess you give out the gifts for the poor. Umichalkim otambo b'yom, and that is divided up, I guess, on that day. Okay. Uv'yom Shabbat motziim shnei sfarim u'shnei korin v'yavo amalech. Okay, and on Shabbat, Motzi, and they bring out two Sefer Torahs, and they read Vayavo Amalek. Okay, that's a section of in Torah that Amalek. Ve'omrim Al Hanisim, and we say Al Hanisim. Ve'enosim Suda Purim Ad Yom Echad B'Shabbat. Oh, and then we have the Suda on Sunday for Purim. Wow. Okay. Sounds like a busy weekend this year.
Yep. Right. We'll see
Okay.
all the
So
halachas
let's
will be right here. We'll see all the halachas which are relevant. That's right.
yeah, and it's right it's straightforward in this Mishnah here. Okay, so Vav. Uh okay, so it says Yom Tet Vav. So that's on the day of the 15th. Hule. The Ilu Yidalid Efshar Lachul b'Shabbat. Okay, so on the 14th, it can't Lachul begin, I guess, on Shabbat. Okay. Ein Korin, Tetvav. So we don't read. It says, because let me turn the light on. It's getting dark in here. Okay. The Gazru Rabbanan, Shema Yelech Etzel Hacham Lulamadeha Ekli Krotam. Okay. So we don't read it then because there's the rabbis decreed that maybe one will go out to a hacham to learn it, or to learn eich likrotai, to learn how to read it. Let's see. V'ya'avirena arba'a amot b'reshut harabim. Okay, and he would transgress, I guess, going what, 4 amot in the Reshut Harabim with it. So you're not permitted to carry 4 amot in the Reshut Harabim on Shabbat.
That's on every Shabbos, right? That always
Right.
exists.
Right. So it's not just this one, but this is why we don't read it.
Mm.
Or we don't let's see.
Right.
Okay, right. Okay, Hamigila b'Shabbat. Okay, so this is what we don't read on Shabbat. But Oz Yom HaShabbat, Chet Adar, Hu b'Parashat Zachor. And then on the Shabbat, the 8th of Adar is Parashat Zachor. Okay, Maftirin, Pakadati. Okay, so I guess what the maftir is begins with Pakadati. V'gam b'tet vav la'adar maftirin Pakadati v'krachim. Okay, and also on the 15th of Adar, they conclude with Pakadati in Krachim are the villages, I think. Okay. Aval barayot maftirim b'seder hashua. But in the cities, you have the regular maftir of the week. Let's see. V'shoalim v'dorshin bo b'yom gehalachot Purim kedei she'iskru inyan hayom. And they ask and expound, I guess, about it, the day the halachot of the laws of Purim, in order to merit the essence of the day.
That's right. There's always an Indian that on the day you want to have drushes, right? So these drushes will add to the merits of the people listening to the Torah discourses.
Okay. Okay, so then it says, Kishecha b'chol yotzin ayidei kriyat Megillah. Okay, so if it falls out on the weekday, one fulfills his the mitzvah by just reading the Megillah. Very good. Okay. So Yud Zayin is V'omrim al Hanisim. So they also say al Hanisim.
That's on Shabbos, right?
B'Shabbat. Okay. V'lo be'erev Shabbat.
But
On Shabbos, but not.
we will not
Yes.
say this is.
Okay, so let's see, it goes on. Shebe'emet le krachin zman b'tet vav v'lo b'yudalid. Okay, so be'emet, so in truth, in the villages, it's a time of tet vav and not Yudalid, the 15th and not the 14th. Okay. Barach mishum gzeira k'na'al hitzrichu likrot Megillah be'erev Shabbat. Okay, and because of this, there was a decree by the rabbis that one must read the Megillah on the Erev Shabbat. Umikol makom im amar ein machzirin oto. But nevertheless, when if it's said, we don't repeat it. So once it's read, we don't repeat it. Is that what this is saying? Oh, this is about Al Hanisim. Okay. So apparently if
We'll see this next time, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that brings us to our time. Yeah, let's leave this for next time. Very good,
okay.
Mayor.
So we'll
Thank
start at Yud Zayin then in the Mishnah.
you. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Let me put a bookmark there. Excellent.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay, have a good afternoon. Thank you, Lou. Thank you, Mayor. Hope to see you both maybe tomorrow. Erev Shabbos. Yeah, Erev
Oh yeah,
Shabbos.
Erev Shabbos, it's hard for me,
All right.
unfortunately.
Very good. The next
We'll
week.
see.
You should be well. Thank you.
Correct, Mayor.
Baruch Tiyeh.